The second UX Design Award in the product category goes to Kieback&Peter GmbH Co KG and their design team for local override system solution with touch. The local priority control from Kieback&Peter is an innovative system solution. It ensures the safe operation of technical systems, heating and ventilation systems, independently of the automation system, for example, during maintenance work or possible malfunctions. This is particularly important in critical infrastructure objects such as hospitals and utilities. The unique local priority operation of Kieback&Peter can be used safely, easily, and is self-explanatory via touch display. Is the physical component of GoTimeBank's Figital.
Local override is a powerful example of how careful design can help people stay in control, even in exceptional situations. The modular product impresses with its coherence. Hardware and software form a harmonious unit. The operating concept cleverly adapts learned patterns to a professional environment. Because local override provides direct and transparent access, operators can focus on solving the business side of the problem.